Hi, it's Amira.
Hi, it's Kenneth.
And this is the St. David's Update.
First of all, congratulations to all those representing the student body, the Catholic and Friends Society. The roles have been announced and put on the website. Congratulations to everyone once again. The standard of applications was exceptionally high. The CAFS Society, Catholic and Friends Society, is the students' council and represents the student body on multiple issues such as curriculum, student welfare and employability.
The students that have been selected and now represent the student body are Ishal Ali as our Deputy President, our Student Welfare Officers are Aya Chowdhury and Aurelia Jamshed, our Secretary is Riley Jones, our two Curriculum Support Officers are Fionn Foster and Nez Hazrat-Kalova, our Communications Officer is Kevin Victorious, our Catholic Identity and Ethos Officer is Joanna Reggie Joseph, and our Employability Officer is Abdul Jamshed. And special congratulations to Jade Stammers, our Steward of Creation, which her role will be focusing on the environment and sustainability. There will soon be posters around the college so you know who to speak to. If you want to get in touch, just search for CAFS in the address book.
Moving on, the college has officially opened and named the Archbishop George Stack Centre for Learning. The building was funded by the Sustainable Communities for Learning programme, which is a long-term investment programme for schools and colleges to develop them as hubs and reduce buildings in poor conditions in Wales. The evening was well attended with people responsible for the creation of the new building, including representatives from the Welsh Government. As well as that announcement, the college has also announced the naming of the Mark Leafield Lecture Theatre. Mark Leafield was the previous principal of St. David's and served for 24 years before announcing his retirement last year. The naming of the building is a nod to the great work he did for so long in leading the college.
And in sports, it's lovely to see the women's football team have been doing so well so far this season. The girls started with a 5-0 win against Pembrokeshire College in the first game of the year and had an amazing run in the AOC 7-a-side tournaments. The girls were unfortunate to lose in the semi-finals, but there's a fantastic goal that got them out of the group stages. So great effort, girls, and what a great start to the year for them. And there's a lot of girl power this time as 4 students were selected for the Cardiff and Vale under-18 netball squad. Congratulations to Libby Wright, Amy Howarth, Emily Blunt and Gabby Hellerman, who have all been selected to join the county netball squad. This is a really competitive squad, and as were the trials, so it's great to see them all progress, and please join us in supporting them within this next year.
And in esports, the St. David's esports teams have started this season with 3 wins out of 3, which is a very strong start for them. The Drifters, Outlaws and the Titans won all their opening matches, and we'll be following to see how they do this winter season by following them on Instagram at St. David's Esports.
Speaking of esports, you may have seen the posters around college for the tournaments. On the week commencing the 21st of October, our Upper 6 students are organising a charity esport tournament. The 4 events are Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, Roblox, Fall Guys and a Minecraft build battle.
All money raised from this will be going to Maggie's Cancer Charity, and there's going to be raffle tickets on sale for £1 a strip, as well as a bake sale. So even if you don't fancy playing in the tournament, you can still help raise a bit of money for a very worthwhile cause. Signing up will be done through the QR codes on the posters or the links on the website. From the launchpad, every Wednesday coming up is going to be a university help desk where a university will come in and provide help with your personal statements. This is going to be very helpful for those in Upper 6th, so please keep an eye on your emails.
And finally, our performing arts students have started rehearsals for the first college production of the year, which is A Midsummer Night's Dream. So keep your eyes out for promotions and good luck to all the students who are currently in rehearsals. And that's it from us. The next St. David's update will be after half term.
So enjoy your half term and have a nice break.